How to review group warnings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review group warnings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down until you find settings. And now go down again. Here you will find the activity log. Click on it. And now go down. Here you will find the groups, communities, events and reels. Click on it and go down. Here you will find the group warnings, and as you see here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.